Here's your wake up weather for Friday. I'm meteorologist Kate Bilo. Mainly cloudy with a few breaks of sun through the day Friday. Definitely not a washout, but can't rule out a stray shower. A cool east wind with a high around 60. Your Eyewitness Weather 7-day forecast, well, looks pretty good, but our actual weather watchers are reporting in on this gray day. And you can see temperatures have really dropped, especially down to the south where we've had more showers come through. We're only in the 50s at Greg McCoy's house. He's in Marshallton, Delaware, 55 degrees. He's reporting a little bit of rain. He says drizzle to light rain today, little wind, damp, dreary, dismal, road spray. Yuck. That just basically sums up what an ugly day it has been down in the first state, but not quite as bad as you head to the north. We're at 59 degrees. Checking in with Phil. He's in North Wales. 59. He's got some clouds as well. He says warmed up to 60, but it felt cool without the sun. It sure did today. Not a lot of sunshine means you definitely need that light jacket. Jenny sent us this shot of the full moon last night and loved this one. Wayne Hunter said good fishing at Glasgow Park. It was a nicer evening yesterday than it was today for any fishing activities, especially down in Delaware. And I love this from James. He says, Daisy and Donald always waddle over and visit around dinner time. The ducks are out even if the sun is not. Let's take a look at a little bit more to the north and to the east, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a few sprinkles move through Philadelphia and surrounding suburbs here within the next hour or so. These are generally light. Few flicks of the windshield wipers. We're not talking about heavy downpours here, but we do have heavy downpours, unfortunately, in our future, courtesy of this next storm, which is headed our way just in time for the Mother's Day weekend. Here's what it looks like over the city right now as we look from the other side of the river in New Jersey. It is cloudy, generally dry for now, but temperatures only in the 50s as we tap into that brisk east wind. And that east wind is going to be an issue for the next few days as this system heads off the coast during the day Friday and then really just lurks off our seaboard here on Saturday. It's going to bring that gusty east wind as well as rain, tapping into all that moisture, rain around the back edge of the low. The rain will be heavy at times, and it's a very cool and breezy day. Future wind gusts, you can see tomorrow the winds aren't that bad. They will pick up down the shore, so the shore will be cooler than the city tomorrow. Winds to about 20 miles an hour. But watch what happens through the day on Saturday. The winds start to increase as that storm works its way up the coast. By 9 a.m. we've got gusts to 20 in the city, over 30 down the shore. And by 4 p.m. Saturday, winds could gust over 40 miles an hour at the coast and near 30 miles an hour in Philadelphia. So we're talking about steady, heavy rain and also a strong, gusty east wind. It is not a nice day Saturday. A stray shower tonight, maybe a few spotty ones tomorrow, but it's Saturday that the heaviest comes through. Periods of rain all day, and again, it will be intense at times. So a day to stay inside if ever there was one. Overnight cloudy with a stray shower. 48 degrees will be your low. For tomorrow, mainly cloudy. I think we will see some breaks of blue sky here and there. Definitely not a washout, just a stray shower here or there. Your eyewitnesses of the central and southern plains region really headed into the Mississippi Valley tonight. Heavy rain and thunderstorms with this, and it's only going to intensify further. As it moves east and moves off the coast, it's going to really ramp up just off the eastern seaboard, throwing back a lot of moisture as well as a cool east wind. And speaking of an east wind, we're already starting to tap into that, and you'll feel it tomorrow as well. So temperatures right now only in the low 50s. You can see that onshore flow from the 56-degree Atlantic Ocean. It's 50 in Atlantic City, 54 in Philadelphia, and 50 degrees right now in Allentown. Take a look at future weather, and you can see tomorrow's not that bad of a day. I think we'll actually see some sun peeking through the clouds, but it's always an iffy thing to forecast too much sunshine on an east wind kind of day. When you get that east wind, it brings that cool, damp air in from the ocean, and clouds really like to form a little bit more than what we're seeing here. So I would say we'll see some sun, but mostly cloudy. Nothing more than a stray shower through the day tomorrow. But here comes the heavy stuff. 5 a.m. Saturday, you wake up in the morning, it's already raining, and it just keeps coming in waves all day. You can see the yellow shading here from Allentown down through the state of Delaware at 8 a.m. 10 a.m. it continues. 1 p.m. still here. You might start to think it's got to move out soon, right? 4 p.m. still raining, and as we head through 6 or 7 o'clock, still the rain coming down. You go to bed at 9 o'clock, it is still raining, but notice how it's starting to wrap up. And I think Saturday night into Sunday, we'll start to see that system move out, clearing out just in time for Mother's Day. Anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain looks like a good bet for the entire area. Nobody's going to get missed on this one. And the winds ramp up as well through the day. Saturday, that east wind down the shore could gust over 40 miles an hour. And we could see gusts to about 30 miles an hour in the city. So as far as tonight is concerned, just some clouds out there. A stray shower, 48 degrees. Tomorrow, mainly cloudy. There will be some sun. I'm hesitant to say too much, but if we get more sunshine than forecasted, that's a bonus. 60